Okay, GMB. Real quick workout, leg workout. It's EMOM style, so you just need a clock. Okay, stopwatch on your phone. You could use the Tabata app if you want. I'll tell you what to plug in. But here's how it's going to go. Remember, EMOM is every minute on the minute. Okay, so you're going to start an exercise when you see the minute come up. Okay, you'll do the 2 exercises I want you to do. The quicker you do them, but make sure you do in correct form. Quicker you complete them, the more rest time you got. So most of them are going to take like 15 to 20 seconds to do. So that means you got like 30 to 40 seconds to rest before you have to repeat it again. All right. Okay. So every minute on the minute workout. The only thing is you're going to switch from round to 1 to 2. So here's what you're going to do. The first minute, you'll do this one. The second minute, you will do this one. All right. Then you'll switch back here, here. The only reason being is move 1 is a split squat with your right foot forward. You're going to do 10 of them. Then you're going to do 10 squats. That should take anywhere from, like I said, 20, 25 seconds maximum, especially in the first round. Then you got about 35, 40 seconds to rest. Once minute 2 starts, you're going to begin this one, okay? Left split squats, 10, and then 10 squats. You'll rest the remainder of the minute, then you'll pick back. So it's just alternating 1 to 2. The only difference in the exercises is this one right foot forward, this one left foot forward. Squat is the same for both, okay? So lower body, EMOM workout, okay? If we look at BIA, just didn't feel like writing, this is beginner, intermediate, advanced. My recommendations, okay, the beginner, just 6 minutes, super, super easy if you're not that much into fitness and just want a quick little workout between chores, okay, in the morning when you wake up, okay, between class works, 6 minutes. That means you'd be doing this one 3 times, this one 3 times. You're only really actually exercising maybe 40 to 50% of that time, okay? You get 30 on your right, 30 on your left, and you do 60 total squats in this one. Intermediate, you do 60 total on each side, left and right split squats, and you'd end up doing 120 squats, okay, in those 12 minutes. Pretty good. And then over here, you'd end up doing a lot of squats, 180, and then you'd end up doing 90 split squats each leg. Okay, base it on your fitness level. Make sure you have a clock. You could use a standard clock on the wall. You could use a timer on your phone. You could use the Tabata app and just put it to a specific, put the exercise to a specific amount. Okay, you have to do even numbers in this one. So if you want to veer away from 6, 12, or 18, and you want to do in between beginner and intermediate, you have to do 8 because there's right and left. Okay, you want to do an even amount so one leg's not getting a significant more exercise than the other one. All right, I'm going to demonstrate very, very quickly the couple modifications and 2 rounds of it. All right, I'm going to put stopwatch up on my phone. Okay, simple stopwatch app. I'll hit play. Okay, make sure you can see the watch near you. Either have a show on, music, radio. Okay, it's not nice out today, but if it's nice outside, spend that 5 to 20 minutes outside doing this workout. Okay, obviously before it's a lower body workout, so I recommend doing all the stretching. At this point, you should kind of already know all the stretches. I'm not going to waste the video time doing that. I'm going to start the clock. Okay, I'll show an easy version and then a hard version. Okay. All right, so split squat, right foot forward. We did this earlier in the week even too. My left knee is dropping down towards the ground. I'm just going up and down. I'm pretending I have water on my head. I'm not touching my thigh. I keep them on my hip or keep them here. So I do 10. If that's too hard, put your legs closer and just go down halfway. Okay, there's my 10 split squats, and I'll go into regular squats. So feet a little wider than shoulder width, toes to be pointed out a little bit, dropping my rear end backwards, and then pushing up. My hips go back. And then I push my hips forward. Okay, from the side, hips go back, push the hips forward. Okay, let's say I did 10 of each. All right. Okay, I still have at least over 20-something seconds, and that was with me talking a lot, to rest. So I have that time to rest, get a drink. If I had a text, I could look at my text. Okay, once it gets to the second minute, okay, so I still have about 8 seconds left. Once it gets to the second minute, I'll do the exact same thing, but remember, section 2, I'm going to do it with my left foot forward. Okay, so that second minute start. So my left foot forward this time. Right knee is going to almost touch the ground. Going up, down, down, keeping that back straight. Don't want my weight to get forward. That's too hard. Walk it in a little bit and do half. Okay? Squats, same thing. If you want to make the squats a little easier, put your feet a little closer together and just go down quarter squats. Okay, but you don't want to go as low as you can. Okay, keeping your weight on the back of your heels, not forward. Okay, I'll do one more demonstration. I'll do one more minute. Okay, I'm going to show you the harder modifications for each. Okay, we use these moves. I got 20 more seconds to rest. We used these moves earlier in the week too, and we've used them before, so you should be somewhat familiar. The harder version of the split squat is the rear foot elevated. So you need a couch, chair, bench, ottoman, anything that could bear your bed, maybe even. Hold your weight. My back leg or rear leg is on it. Left leg forward, and same exact thing. My back knee is going all the way to the ground. All the pressure's on this one leg. Okay, it makes it a little bit more difficult. Okay, you're pushing up one more weight with one leg. Okay, you could do that for the split squat. For the actual squat, to make it more difficult, you could do two things. You could do the drop squat. It's a little bit of a cardio move. Okay, or you could just straight do a squat, jump, up to you. Okay, if you want to do that only for part time, make it a little harder, or start hard and then back off to an easier version. That's up. That depends on what you want to do with your fitness level. Any questions or anything? Comment. Ask on Google Classroom. Quick little easy leg workout. It could be 6, 12, 18 minutes.